to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Ma Moon. It's a joy to connect across time and space, sending you encouragement wherever you are. If you're feeling anxious about something, insecure about finances, feeling worried about the unfolding of life, things not working out, mistakes, setbacks, trials and tribulations, relationships gone bad, anger, resentment, self-hatred, feeling shame, guilt, feeling the inner critic very loud, feeling your mind restless. Know that you're not alone in that I certainly can relate to a lot of those painful ways of suffering. That is part of being human. Giving way actually to our compassion, forgiveness, healing. Today we're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can become just a tad bit more aware, more joyful, recognizing the blessings that we already have. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be relaxed and aware. Gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space, noticing where in the body are you holding on to tension, and consciously relaxing that part of the body which feels tense. Relaxing the face, relaxing the belly, relaxing your chest, relaxing your spine, relaxing the palms of your hands, your fingers and toes, relaxing your forehead. You're safe to close the eyes, looking in. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go. Breathing in trust in the unfolding of life. And exhaling, letting go of fear. every cell in your body, breathing in and exhale, letting go. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling love for yourself. And exhaling love for other people. Coming back into love for your life, even the challenging aspects. Breathing in strength. And exhale, letting go. Breathing in compassion. And exhale, letting go of anger. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in with awareness. And exhaling. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Relaxing your hands and feet. Feeling the stillness of the ground beneath you. Tuning deeper into that part of you that's already still, already silent. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind be totally free to think. opportunities that are really limitless. It's a new day, new opportunities to create, new opportunities to heal, new opportunities to forgive, new opportunities to overcome, new opportunities, limitless. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in and breathing out. The color for today is lime green. The number is 1 trillion. And the animal, are you ready for it? The animal for today is a platypus. My dear friend, remember to laugh at yourself today, to laugh at how crazy this life is, and to not take it too serious. Taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Breathing in beauty. Exhaling, feeling more intuition coursing through your body and mind. Breathing in harmony. And exhaling, letting go of the past. Breathing in presence. And exhale. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Every cell in your body breathing in. Hold. And exhale. Become empty. Empty of thoughts, empty of breath. Exhaling all the breath in your lungs. Just be empty. Empty, empty, empty. Feeling the fullness of emptiness. And taking a breath in. Hold. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug. My dear friend, wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of being present in the moment. The past is history, the future is a mystery, and the present is a gift, which is why we call it the present. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.